Hello again, it's George at Suprema. Today I'm going to be talking about the R2, which is one of our slave devices that can communicate with the CoreStation or other OSDP devices. One caveat with the R2 device is that this can't be set up standalone. It will need to be set up via the CoreStation or another OSDP device. Let's go ahead and unbox the device then. So within the box you will just have the standard Suprema stuff, the open source software license, so that you can very easily integrate with us, the quick guide on how to actually install the device, link to download BIOS R2, and the wall guide to stick on before the wall bracket, just so it's a bit easy with the screws. So if we actually get into the device, this is the device with the least amount of ports, just because the only ports available on the back are the power and the RS485. Like I said at the start of the video, you will have to install it with another device. This can't function alone. The fingerprint scan is literally taken on the device and then sent out through the RS485 cables to the authentication device, which will then handle all the actual data processing. The slave device is also a card reader, so it's not just fingerprint. You can have RF devices. It is only the dual card format for the R2 on this one, so it wouldn't support more specific cards like COS. If you are resetting the device, there is also the reset button on the very back. That will just reset the RS485 chain details so that it can be added to another main master board. So that was the R2 and just some setup info and quick tips. See you again next time.